In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily import orders into your Shopify store. Whether you're transitioning from another platform or simply need a streamlined way to manage your orders, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So let's dive right in. First, let's start by visiting the Shopify admin. Once you're there, look for the orders section. Click on it. Now, you might notice an import button. If you see it, you're in luck. Click that button and follow the on-screen prompts to import your orders directly. However, if the import button isn't available, don't worry, we have a simple workaround to get your orders in without a hitch. The next step involves using a third-party app to assist with the import. Head over to the app section in your Shopify admin and click on Shopify App Store. This is where you can find and install the necessary tools. There are several order importers available, but for this tutorial, we'll focus on popular ones like Easy Importer or Matrixify. These apps are designed to handle bulk orders efficiently and can save you a lot of time. Once you've chosen and installed your preferred importer app, open it up. The interface is usually intuitive with clear instructions on how to proceed. Now it's time to upload your CSV file. This file should contain all the order details you want to import into your store. After uploading your CSV file, you'll need to map the order fields. This is a crucial step. Mapping ensures that each piece of data from your file is correctly assigned to the appropriate field in Shopify. You'll typically map fields such as the customer's name, email, the products they've ordered, and the price. Take your time with this step to avoid any mismatches or errors during the import process. Once you're satisfied that everything is mapped correctly, click the import button within the app to start the process. Now it's just a matter of waiting for the import to finish. Depending on the number of orders, this could take a few moments. After the import is complete, it's important to verify that everything went smoothly. Head back to the orders section in your Shopify admin and check to ensure that all your orders have been imported accurately. This is your quality check and ensures your customers' details are in place. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully imported orders into your Shopify store. This process not only saves time, but also keeps your order management seamless and efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks. See you in the next video.